standard utility, just a normal pouch. We can customize all these medical bags for you also. This is for usually SCDF ambulance services. But other popular pouches we have. Oh, this one also very popular. This one they call the Condor pocket pouch. It's supposed to fit in the cargo compartment of your, the number 4 pants. Fit just nice. You pull out from here. Then you organize your wallet, your money, your phone, or whatever you want to put inside here. Organization, pen, notebook. Of course, this one you don't have to be USA. You can just change to your own Singapore flag, or don't want to put also can. This for your key, so that easily just pull out, use your key, and you won't lose your key. Very useful stuff, this one. What else? This is a smaller version of just now, that drop leg. The EMT drop leg.